In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a talk track on your Miro board. First, open Miro in your web browser and sign into your workspace. If you're new to Miro, think of it as a collaborative whiteboard where you and your team can brainstorm, plan, and present ideas together. Recording a talk track lets you narrate your board so others can watch and listen on their own time, which is perfect for async updates, quick demos, or walkthroughs. Once you're in, head to the board you want to present. It helps to tidy up the canvas first, zoom to a comfortable level, arrange the frames you want to cover, and have any key sticky notes or shapes visible. A little prep will make your recording flow more smoothly. Look toward the top right of the Miro interface and find the video icon. Click it, then choose Record Talk Track. At this point, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone or camera. Grant access so your narration comes through clearly. If you have multiple microphones, quickly confirm you're using the right one in your system settings or browser prompt. A quick test phrase before you begin can save you from a silent take. When you're ready, select Start Recording. From this moment, Miro will automatically capture your voice and your actions on the board, such as panning, zooming, or highlighting elements. Speak at a steady pace and keep your cursor movements purposeful so viewers can follow your story. If you're walking through a process, try guiding the audience frame by frame. If you're explaining a complex diagram, zoom in and out to show both the big picture and the details. A few practical tips as you record. Reduce background noise by closing nearby apps or mute notifications to avoid on-screen distractions. Keep your sentences concise and pause briefly between sections to give viewers time to absorb what they see. If you lose your place, take a breath and continue. Natural pacing often sounds more authentic than a perfectly scripted read. When you've covered everything you planned, wrap up your message clearly so the audience knows they've reached the end of your walkthrough. Your talk track will reflect everything from the moment you press start, along with the interactions you made on the board. And that's all it takes. You went to Miro, opened your board, clicked the video icon, chose Record Talk Track, and started recording. With a little preparation, you'll create a clean, engaging narration that your team can watch anytime. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your Miro talk tracks.